It's alive! Yes! Hello, my name's Ian. Welcome back to the Grow Zone. This is my community grow. Behind me here and beside me here is a chili plant that I transferred from soil into DWC pot. In the last video I had trouble with the pH. It was slammed down to 5.12 from memory. And this is a little update. It's been 2 days, I think 3 days since that video was recorded, and the plant was not looking healthy, and I'm pleased to tell you that now it is, and the roots are fantastic. Started to come down into the nutrients. The pH is a little bit high, so let's get a closer look at the plant and we'll adjust that ever so slightly lower. So check it out. For those of you who have seen the last video, this plant wasn't looking that happy at all really. And now it's got still the lovely big leaves, great colour. It's perked up a lot. It was drooping over slightly last time. We do have some blemishes on the leaves here, but the new growth is looking good. We need to adjust the pH down a little bit, I believe. I just tested it just before, I'll show you again on camera now. But first of all, check out these roots, man. Beautiful white colour. It's starting to poke out a few further up from the water, and his lead roots are now going right down and into the water. Great colour. If you saw the last video, I'll put a little clip in here now, which is one little dark root which is still there. So it's looking much healthier, clearly happier with its environment. Yeah, we'll get a test of the pH and show you, and we'll lower it ever so slightly. Good result. Yeah, so it's crept up ever so slightly again, 7.24, 7.23. So we'll just give it another little bit of pH down from Terra Aquatica. Hopefully get it below 7, into the 6.8-ish range. Give that a go now. Giving it a little stir around, it's had a little minute. And now we're sitting at 6.84, 6.85. I'm gonna give this another 15 minutes and then come back and check it again. But I think I'm gonna leave it there. That's what it was over the weekend when I left it from the previous video. Seems to be happy. Okay. I took a risk and put a tiny little bit more pH down in. It's been 10 minutes, so let's have a little look again. Nice. .58, 6.59. Cool. So that's it for this video, just a quick update. Thank you for the comments on the last one, by the way, a few suggestions. People talking about humidity, the pH meter. I'm happy where the plant is now, the levels of pH in the water. The roots look fantastic. And I'll keep you updated. Yeah, stay tuned. See you in the next one. Keep on growing. Bye.